to create custom WhatsApp stickers on iPhone. Hi guys, welcome back to AI Plus More. Today I'll be showing you how to make custom stickers on WhatsApp. So let's go into the photos and click on the photo you would like to make into a sticker. We're going to hold on to the photo to scan it. Once it's scanned, we're going to click into copy. Then we're just going to open WhatsApp. Click into paste and send. Perfect. Another way you can also do it is click into this icon next to the camera and then click into create sticker. Then use a photo. Once you choose a photo, WhatsApp will scan the picture, and it's also gonna do a custom cutout of the picture for you to send and use for your sticker. Then just press send again. Perfect, and that's all for my video today. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!